Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to add canvas to video in CapCut PC. So if you want to add a canvas background onto your videos so you want to edit on your CapCut PC, then you're onto the right guide. So let's have this video for example in here. So if you haven't added your clip already onto your CapCut PC, then what you need to do is just simply click onto the import option in here or drag and drop the videos. Right after, let's add them onto the timeline. You could do the same thing of dragging and dropping it in here, or you could simply click onto this blue icon to add the track. So we could make use onto the specific video that we have in here and let's resize this one out so that the canvas would be visible at the back. So as of the moment, we have a black one in here. So since it is still not yet modified, so for us to be able to go ahead and add a canvas, just head here onto the right side. We have here under video and basic. We'll just have to scroll down until you should be able to find in the canvas. Make sure that this one is turned on. And for us to be able to choose one, we'll just have to click onto this drop down in here. So as of the moment, we have none. That is why it is color black, but there are a lot of options to choose from. We could use blur. So there are different blur options. So it should look something like this. You could do a quick preview for that one. Or you could also do colors. For example, you want to do pink, blue, or violet for that. And the last option, which is style. So you could click onto that one. And as you can see, there are a lot of options to choose from as well for that. So for styles, you'll just need to go ahead and download which one you want to use. So for example, we have this and this one as well. So you could do a quick preview on how your video should turn out with its canvas. And once you're already satisfied with it, you could just simply go ahead and export the video. And that is just basically it, how you add a canvas to video in CapCut PC. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.